A
Yes.
very good day to our lecturer. Today I and my group member going to present project to SAD. Our company name is Green Life Vending Machine Sdn Berhad. This is our logo. Our product is solar vending machine and our motto is you are happy when you are hungry. Next. This is our company organization chart. Rashwini Subramaniam is the project manager. Sangeeta Sundikumar is assistant project manager. Sai Vishalni Mahendran is IT support, and I am Durgashni Jaishankar is the project sponsor. Okay, next is the task distribution. We distribute the task. The task depends on the people. Next, okay, introduction. There are still various ways to make money using vending machine platform in this era of mobile internet. We may, for example, show advertisement from other people on vending machines. We offer a complete approach to vending machines, IoT payment, customization, maintenance service, logistics, product sourcing, and location search as a one-stop smart vending solution firm. To fulfill and exceed customers' expectations, we seek to bring in ultimate taste and amazing healthy and quality snacks. People have begun to desire a safe, quick and easy lifestyle as the market economy has gradually rebounded. Next.
Okay, next I'll be explaining about the user manual um, main process for administration view. So this is a user manual for administration view, which is for the manager, technician, and the person who really conducting it. Next. Okay, first we're having the general warnings like purpose of manual is to normal and special maintenance installer to the because the handbook insert in an element that machine can keep in a good condition and available during it when it's a technician problem. So this report will be useful for the technician or the manager of the vending machine while they are facing some technical issues in the vending machine. Next, to whom this user manual is addressed to the operator, the user, or either installer, adjuster, special maintenance, and technician, as I said previously. Next. Okay, responsibility ability is like more to how the process that they previously they had like incorrect installation might be some error in that and user unauthorized spare parts or some different kind of spare part they used and it might be contain some technical problem and unauthorized by manufacturer and improper user of the machine. It might be happens when the user didn't use our product properly and also connect integrate supply system and non-conformity regulation. So the supplier come and changing that refilling our vending machine product, maybe there might be some mistake, so they also can refer this book also. And general safety warning is most general, like when you are doing the maintenance of the vending machine, so we need to carefully read the manual and then protect vending machine against the weather conditions. So our vending machine is a solar vending machine, so we no need to worry about the weather conditioner because it is working by the weather conditioner. So and also so these are the general safety warnings that all the basic vending machine had. Next. Okay, next warranty. Warranty is about how long does that technician do when they technically doing it, and how long the technical working will be able, how long it will be working for it. So like about 2 months about guarantee, they will just give like 12 months guarantee after they doing the technical. So for any service or any services problem, you should contact our company. So it become anything also we will accept the fault and unlikely change that. If the problem cannot be resolved remotely, the customer can return the equipment or the organization by own expenses. It's something like when the users are using that product which is already expired date, you can also contact our company and say that okay, your manufacturer people really didn't uh, what change the things in the vending machine because it's already expired. So that warranty things actually you can also complain with our management, and also like we providing a similar condition or age, or we giving a choice for them. So vending machine is not cover warranty if damage is result of transport and import handling, and also operator's error, lack of may explain maintenance in this manual, so failure and breakage of the manual function vending machine. Next. Okay, these are the basic symbol that we can see in every vending machine, which is warning, danger, and then the plug service. Actually, we don't have, but we also put it because it's for safety purpose, and also operation against the rules may cause serious injury. Like when you are you are clicking into our display menu, that screen display, and also danger of getting electric shock. So, and also forbid touching bare hands, so with wet hands or with any hands, so you should be very careful to handle it. So these are the basic symbol which every vending machine have we also have it too. Next. Okay, this is the technical specification, which is showing that the our vending machine brand model, color, display camera, and standard capacity, product range, tray number. This is all for the technician use, because when they are doing the maintenance services, they really need to go through in this. Next. Okay, next, this is the installation. This is for the technician whenever they want to come and do our vending solar vending machines repair or maintenance thing. They should bring this Phillips screwdriver, any type of screwdriver, to open and survey inside of it, and then keyboard, because of the some coding will be run. So we need to correct the coding. We need a keyboard to run the coding, actually to type and run, and then size of spanner to open the spare parts. Thanks. Okay, this is the maintenance, the contents, the information maintenance cleaning. Such I said previously, the cleaning and technically maintain technically repairing it also will become under the maintenance, because this all comes together with the only extend internal part machine maintenance area use key supplies for vending machine. So this is the main part to open and fix it, our fix for our vending machine actually. Next. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, the following one is a user manual which involves normal user view. Thanks. So, in general, the purpose of this manual is to explain the way to use the interface of the solar vending machine, and this is for all age group of people. Via this user manual, they get a clearer view, and without any confusion about how the interface works, they can clearly use the interface. So mainly this manual is addressed for the staff, student, and even the security guard or even the canteen workers in our campus. So the features in our vending machine has very simple and interactive feature. So firstly, all the drinks and meals are categorized accordingly so that the user can select as per their wish. If the user choose drinks, there will be this add-on option, so they can add on more than one. For an example, like add ice, no ice, or add sugar according as per their wish. And if they choose snacks, they have this nutritional fact also displayed on our interface. So once the user have done selecting their drinks and snacks, they can proceed with the payment part, where they need to enter their email, and to redeem the promo code before making the payment, we'll send a promo code to their email first, and then they can proceed with their payment under the vending machine. But for further information, the user can click on to the help icon to seek help or to avoid any confusion occurs. So after all the process done, there will be this rate the experience option and enjoy their snacks and drinks, and they can pick up their products under the vending machine.
So there are two methods to access the vending machine. First one is barcode scanner and username and password to log in. So every user for the vending machine will have given an access card. So on that access card there will be this barcode scanner. So they need to scan it right beside the vending machine, or else they can use the ID card and password of their existing account respectively. So there will be this login with ID option there, which will redirect to the alternate access method, so they can enter their password and ID number and proceed with the process as well. Next. That's all.
Okay, next will be the plan to perform the system changeover for this project. Okay, talking about changeover, our system is more to vending solar machine. Rather than using a vending solar machine, what kind of things can replacing to perform your product is I'll be choosing the battery, because battery is the best way to replace solar system because it didn't contain of any electricity supplies. And also to change over there will be a key of the year to change over e-mobility. So the battery has ages. The battery electric vending machine is representing the best approach in the economic and environment terms. So hydrogen and non-alternative vending machine user. So as I said previously, vending machine, solar vending machine is more to very friendly, user friendly, and also very advantage to the environment. And also battery also is one of it, but we are highly recommended solar system. But for a changeover will be, we also can suggest our battery to represent our solar system. So electric battery vending machine are equal and safe as a vending machine powered by solar. And also charging, a public charging become increasingly important. Expansion public charging infrastructure must be disastrously usable. So as we know, power supply and giving a power supply is actually, it's more to, it's it's not very good for environment. So we are replacing it to battery, also a very good, a very best suggestion, rather than solar system. Next.
Next is the best backup that suits the best for this project. Okay, we choose cloud storage. Cloud storage may be used for that data backup. One of the most effective way to backup your data is to use cloud storage. For easy access, high quality cloud service such as OneDrive, Google Drive and Dropbox will provide their own file management system. Next is encryption is also used in cloud backup to keep your data safe and secure from third parties. As a result, cyber attacks pose less of a concern, even though users do not need to carry along a drive like USB or hard disk. Cloud backup allows them to access their backup from anywhere or at any time. Finally, online backups help you save time and money. Maintaining an on-premises backup solution is more expensive than using cloud backup. As a result, there is no need to buy or maintain hardware or software, and there is no need uh, inquiry clearance for a capital purchase. Instead, you can pay a subscription fee, which is considered an operating expenditure. Next.
So next I will be present about 5 suggestions to our client to ensure the system are secure from cyber attacks. So the first one will be the install security cameras. So you may need a permission from your property owner, but camera will not stop a lot of vandalism. And if someone does the break into the machine, you have a far better chance of capturing the criminal. The second one is install an alarm system. Vending machine alarm systems are expensive, which may discourage some owners from investing in this excellent theft and vandalism deterrent. Prices fall as technology advances, and it's now feasible to find a system that is less expensive to find a system a year ago. An average alarm system costs between $80 to $100 and require only a reasonable degree of technical knowledge to help. So the third one is negotiate with the venue provider to enhance security. Vending machine locations are very important but not only for passenger traffic but also for safety. Because few people will destroy it in full view, it may be placed in stations, school, industries, hospitals and retail malls. And security guards are usually present at this location. It is suggested that the vendor negotiate with the venue provider to designate the vending machine area as the patrol area, reducing the chance of criminals. The fourth one is choose a set of high security vending machine locks. High security requires more than physical strength. This is great physical strength that only stop a thief who remove the lock possibility and couldn't prevent anyone who breaks the glass. These anti-theft techniques, however, are effective for individuals who are more for such concern. Passive electronic lock seems to be perfect solution. Key management is a very controlled using passive electronic locks. So the last one will be the security cage. If vandalism is a problem on your equipment, a security cage is another solution. A security cage will assist prevent damage to the equipment despite its unattractive appearance. It seems like the vending machine like in the jail. Next. So the conclusion will be we have been discovered the simple machine requires with a great deal of engineering to develop and construct the vending machine. A vending machine is the very basic, simple and very basic principle, but the top of the machine are very extremely sophisticated. So this project will be taught us the fundamental of the energy, then how they use in the machine which is vending machine every day. So the result is this notation will assist us in saving energy while also the providing very excellent nutritional meat to help to give people of all the ages. That's all from us. Thank you.